What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. We're talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, The Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation into Millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video, and once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Now listen, I got a lot of fake social media platforms out here. I got a lot of people impersonating me, scamming people, and people still falling for it. I don't see how y'all still falling for it. So listen, please, please, please just be aware. My IG is not King Hussle on YouTube. I don't got 50, 60,000 followers on IG. My IG is not King Hussle Backup. If any random King Hussle page start following you, writing you any new King Hussle page, right? You say, yo, what up? Or get you to try to send them some money or get you to try to buy something from them, period. That's not me. I don't do business like that. Anybody I do business with, y'all contact me. Y'all find me from YouTube or for whatever platform, and y'all contact me saying, yo, what's up, blah, 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 blah. Second, if y'all talking to any Telegram with the name King Hussle or Hussle Nation, anything, that's not me. If you want to find me on Telegram, all my Telegram links are in my community post. Every post has my Telegram post, so you ain't got to write me on IG and be like, what's your Telegram? It's in my community post. So go to my community post on every post and you'll find my Telegram, all right? What's another one? Oh yeah, YouTube. It's a scamming you. It's a Telegram on YouTube that commented under all the comments, under all y'all comments. So once you comment under my video, they comment under your video with some heart, with some hands or something, some emojis or something. That's not me. So please be aware of that. And before we get anything, just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money so you won't get scammed by any of these fake King Hussle pages, all right? I want everybody to have the opportunity to be able to get the sauce, their lessons, the information that they need to succeed. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get into it. So today I'm going to show you how to get an easy $50,000. Yes, an easy $50,000 personal loan, not business. We're going to be talking about personal loan today. And I'm going to show you the steps that you need to do in order to make your CP look better. And what's the CP? Your credit profile. And that's what it all goes off of because, like I said, they check these things, right? And when they check these things, they want to see, oh, you've been paying your payments on time on this. You've been paying your payments on time on this. You got so much debt out there, and you paying your debt down on time, and it looks good, right? So basically, what I'm gonna do is today I'm gonna show you how to make your CP, your credit profile, look good. So when you go apply for this $50,000 loan, your credit profile look good enough for you to be able to get approved. All right. So today we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna drop gems. I'm gonna let y'all know every step of the way so you can get approved. So let's get into it. So basically what you want to do is, and everybody already know, I say this in every video, your credit profile has to look good. You gotta be able to show them that you're able to pay back the payment. You gotta be able to show these type of things when they go check, right? Cool. So first thing you want to do is make sure you got a bank account, a checking and savings account, all right? Make sure you got those things. Then you want to make sure you got a job. And if you have a job, you want to make sure you're getting direct deposit. Don't get a check, get direct deposit to your account because that's going to be easier for them to see your money transactions. If you're self-employed, go to ADP and start a payroll provider. That's a payroll provider. Start your payroll role with them and start generating your own checks. Or you can go to the sites that I gave you before to generate your own bank stubs, your W-2s, your own pay stubs and things like that, all right? So once you got all that, you want to start making your credit profile look fantastic, all right? You want to start making your profile look good. But you got to see what's going on in your profile, right? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to get your credit profile. You're going to go to Experian. You're going to TransUnion, Equifax. You're going to get your My FICO. You're going to get your FICO score. You're going to see what's going on. You're going to get your credit report, right? So once you get your credit report, you're going to freeze your credit report like I showed y'all in the last 3 videos. And I'm going to show you again in this video. But you're going to freeze your credit report, right? So you're going to go to TransUnion. You're going to freeze. You're going to go to Equifax. You're going to freeze it. You're going to go to Experian, you're going to freeze it, right? So freeze it right across the board. Then all those collections that you have on your account, you're going to dispute them, right? So you're going to dispute them. Boom, 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 dispute everything. So then it's going to let you know in a couple, like a week or two, what's the answer. And by you freezing your account, a lot of those disputes should go through, and a lot of those things should be taken off your credit, and your credit should go up, right? So boom, now you're cleaning your credit. So boom, once you do all that, boom, all right, so now you're going to say, all right, I need some payment history on my account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this site that I'm about to show you, and you're going to start adding trade lines so you can add payment history to your CP so it can start looking good so you get a $50,000 loan. Let's get into it. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to creditstrong.com, right? And you're going to go to so let me go to the beginning because a lot of y'all be acting a little special sometimes. So let me, boom. So this is the site when you go to it, right? This is the main page. So once you go to it, you're going to make sure you're on personal, not business. We'll talk about that later. You're going to go personal. Once you go to personal, you're going to have revolving, you're going to have installment, you're going to have the max. You're going to go to the max, right? So you're going to scroll down. And then you can either add a $2,500 installment account reported. You can add a $5,000 installment account reported. You can add a $10,000. You can add a $25,000. And these are the amounts that you have to pay monthly for those to be reported to your account. So if you pay $50 a month, you have $2,500 reported to your credit profile. And it says $2,500 installment account reported. Demonstrate repayment on larger credit obligations. Supercharge your personal credit for business purposes. Build your up to 60 months of payment history. Cancel anytime. So this is building credit history, payment history. And it's the same thing for all of them. So let's say you get a $25,000 one plus $10,000. That's $35,000. 40, and it's $40,000. So you're roughly paying a little couple dollars a month, but it'll work and it'll pay off. So boom, you get those three accounts, right? So but you need a credit mix. You need a mixture. So then you're gonna go up here, and then you don't have to get them all. You don't have to get them all. But if you want to hurry up and get that $50,000, I say at least get this one and like one of these, or this one and one of these. You know what I'm saying? So boom, once you do that, you're gonna go up here to the installment loans, right? And then you got your different ones. You can do the save, the $28 a month one, the most affordable one for everybody, you know, for the credit history. Save up to 40 months. Y'all know how to do, boom. So these are the installment loans, right? So now you're building the credit mix, right? You see, look right here, your credit mix matters. Having a diverse blend of credit accounts builds your profile. Adding a revolving credit to install can enhance your credit mix, right? So boom. So now you got that one, right? So like it says, open an installment account in just minutes. No hard credit pull on your credit profile. Accounts are FDIC insured. Pick your plan. Choose to build credit over 24, 36, or 48 months with a payment that fits your budget. Free FICO score monthly to track your progress. Cancel anytime, right? So boom, then you gonna go to the revolving credit, the first one at the top, right? And then you got all these right here, right? You go scroll down, you got this one right here, $99 a year subscription fee, installing, instantly build $500 on revolving credit, improve your credit mix, build payment history, optimize your utilization, build savings, get a FICO score monthly for free. Need that right there, right? So your yearly subscription would be once a year, you'll pay $100, right? Boom. So once you got all that, right, and you let that generate for a couple months, right? Then what you need to do, but first, like I said, you need to go to Equifax to freeze your credit. Get started with a freeze, manage your freeze. You need to go to TransUnion to freeze your account. And you need to go to Experian to freeze your account. Once you freeze your account, you do all the disputes, get that off. Then you go to add these to creditstrong.com. Once you do all that, then you want to go here, TD Bank. And this is where you're going to get your $50,000, right? So boom, you at TD Bank, and you looking, they got the checking accounts, they got the savings accounts, they got the credit cards, the personal loans, they got the home lending. So we're going to click on personal loans. And like it says right here, loan amount, $2,000 to $50,000, interest rate 7.99 to 21.99%. It says for vacation and renovation to debt constellation, TDI fits loans from $2,000 to $50,000 are available in as little as 1 day. No orientation or application fees, and no prepayment penalty. So if you pay it back before it's due, you won't be penalized, all right? Personal loans at TD Bank are unsecured, which means you don't need no collateral. Installment loans that fix interest rates that can be used for many major life events with no collateral required. Like I said, RTD Fitch loans can offer you an alternative to credit cards or other forms of secure financing requires collateral. So then you go down here and just tells you consolidate credit, renovate your home, purchase it or repair a car. Right? So it says explore your options with no impact to your credit. Provide your info to get your personalized loans options with no commitment or impact to your credit, like what you see. Apply right away. Pay your loan off early with no prepayment penalty. Like, so we already went through that. So see your rates. So basically, just go through this right here. In addition, basic personal info, you'll see your social security number, employment history, and income, and expenses like mortgage or rent. Once you provide your info, you'll see the personalized loans options. Checking your options does not affect your credit score, and you'll get results in as little as 60 seconds. If one of the options works for you, choose it and continue to apply. After this step, TD will perform a hard credit pull, which can affect your credit score. You you verify your info and get a decision on your loan by email, right? So, but remember, your credit is froze. So, TD Bank. I don't know why they got these two brothers right here. I don't know what they got going on, but TD Bank, check them out, man. They got business loans, small business loans for people. They got credit cards, they got loans and lines of credit. So they got loans and lines of credit. They got they got different ones. Access cash for frequent expenses that can be paid off quickly, like inventory or payroll. Pay off purchases over time, like used vehicle or equipment or other business. And like I said, it's a quarter million. All right, so TD Bank, $50,000. I just showed you step by step how to do it. Quarter million. So let's talk about it. All right, TD Bank. So let's talk about it. TD Bank. I literally just broke down step by step what these multimillionaires, with these people who are getting loans for their inventions, for their product, for their business, are doing to enhance and get loans at a fast rate. So I'm gonna give you the sauce. I'm gonna let y'all do it too, because we need more people of our color, of the urban community, of the minorities, to start being and get their credit together, so we can start investing and getting these loans, so we can start these businesses, and we can start making money, and we all can become multimillionaires and billionaires just like everybody else. And this is the exact way they're doing it. They're starting with their credit. They're building their credit. They're making their credit profile look like, oh, we can loan you money. You've been doing good. Boom. But what they're doing is they have better resources. And what I mean by resources, once you're in a certain position, you know people of the certain stature who has a good credit, who has certain things. So if you know a millionaire with an 850 credit score, and you file bankruptcy and you clean your credit, and now you back to square one, you got that millionaire that's a multimillionaire that's a 850 credit score, and he adds you as an AU. Now you got an 850 credit score. Now you can get right back to getting the same loans and everything. That's how the ball game works. Piggybacking. Everybody, all multimillionaires and millionaires piggyback off each other. They use somebody that they know that's a millionaire. They file bankruptcy. That's why all these rappers y'all seen, all these multimillionaires, all these celebrities file bankruptcy, so they can not have to pay back that debt that they have. I'll talk about that later, but bankruptcies are actually a cheat code, but we'll talk about that later. So TD Bank, $50,000. Get your credit report. See what's going on. Freeze your credit. Dispute everything that's on there. Once some of your credit score starts going up, go add them trade lines that I showed you. Get at least $35,000 in trade lines. Get that revolving credit. Get all that stuff going on your credit mix. So now it looks good. So now you got all this payment history and this debt on your credit profile, but it looks like you're paying it back on time because the payments are coming directly out your account every month. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to do nothing. It's automatically being taken out, automatically deposited. So boom, now you got that. So by a month or two, boom, now you go apply for that loan. They say, you've been paying. You're okay. Boom. Okay, we're gonna boom. Look, can we get your pay stubs? Boom. Okay, I got my pay stubs. Here you go, right here. Boom. You made your own pay stubs because you're self-employed. Boom. Okay, you can get your W-2s. Boom. You made your own W-2s. Boom. 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 Okay. Boom. That's how you do it. That's how they do it. That's how everybody do it. Point blank, period. So if you want to start making millions, you want to start making money, you want to start getting money to invest into your business, into your brand, into your platform, into yourself, that's what you need to start focusing on, credit. And I will be dropping more videos on credit, how to build it, how to clean it, how to leverage it towards your business as a personal guarantor so you can start making this money. Because like I told y'all before, business credit is way easier to get credit cards, loans, and lines of credit, but you got to use sometimes you need a personal guarantor, and you using yourself as a personal guarantor is the easiest thing to do. So I'm going to continue to drop these videos. I'm going to continue to drop this sauce. I'm going to continue to show you guys where to go to get these loans. I'm going to continue to show you guys step by step how to get these loans. And we're going to win together. It's your boy, King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep inspiring and entertaining y'all. So we're going to keep the ball going. We're going to keep the show going. I'm still looking for rappers. I'm still looking for actors. I'm still looking for content creators, models, producers, cameraman for my production company, Hussle Nation Empire. So if you're a rapper, actor, producer, cameraman, model, content creator, tap in with me. You got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube. You got at least 2,000 watch time hours, and you looking to start making some money on YouTube. You want to learn the tricks of the trade and the trades of the tricks. Tap in with me. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm signed to me, and I'm gonna put you in a position. All you gotta do is listen, do what I say. It's not gonna be hard, but it's gonna be some work, and I guarantee you're gonna start getting paid. Boom. If you're a model out there, you tired of looking good for free, you tired of taking these model pictures for free, you tired of shaking your hiney for free, you just want to learn how to build your brand, your platform, your image, tap in with me. I'm going to put you in all the right positions. I'm going to put you in music videos. I'm going to put you in podcasts. I'm going to put you behind the camera. I'm going to put you in front of the camera. I'm going to turn you into a real boss that you set out to be. So if you're ready to really elevate in life, you ready to start making cash, and you ready to stop sitting on your... Tap in with me. All models, all beautiful ladies. Houston, Texas, worldwide. I got you. I'm going to put you in all the positions because at the end of the day, I know something that a lot of people don't know. So let's get this money together. I'm not, we is not, this none of that over here, all right? I'm not going to have you selling none of that. We sell content. We sell views. We sell entertainment, all right? So be ready to make a whole lot of good money with your clothes on, but you might need, so boom. If you're a rapper out there and you're not willing to invest in yourself, all my music reviews are $200. So if you're not willing to invest $200 in yourself, that's on you. Why should I invest $200,000 in you? So Hussle Nation Empire does and will be having some great things happening this year, so I ain't got nothing to say. I'm going to leave it at that. So if you're not willing to invest in yourself, why should I invest in you? All producers out there, you good with them beats, tap in with me. Cameraman, you 4K, 6K, 8K, red camera or above, tap in with me. You good with that editing, tap in with me. Let's win. Let's get this money. Unlimited gems is $500 right now, so make sure you tap it in. It's January 28th. I don't know what I'm going to end, so if you missed out again, that's on you. Book me right now, in person, unlimited gems lesson, crypto tour, $3,500 in state, $4,500 out of state. If I got to come to you out of state, $45. You come to me, $35, $500 deposit, and let's win. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down at these videos. I see you at the next. Peace.